The ones that hate me the most look just like me. You tell me what that means. Make a slick comment and see what that brings. I seen it go down, we can reenact things. Extreme like BMXing. These boys pussy and they PMSing. People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I wanna be in that scene. Damn right you wanna be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white boys, but they not in sync.
Alright, good morning guys. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day here in Koh Samui and probably also a beautiful week. I just woke up, I had my breakfast, and by breakfast I mean 6 eggs and coffee. I'm about to hit the gym. We have a few things planned up for this week. It looks like the property that I was viewing in the previous episode, or last week, a few days ago basically, is coming to an end, and it looks like it's going to be a deal, so stick around to see how that one unfolds. We're planning a few day trips and obviously the usual work, the usual grind. Stick around and let's see what happens this week. Come bro, I want to give you a shout out. A shout out, you deserve it. You know why? It's the only guy that wakes up in the morning early. Everyone else is still asleep.
Hello people, good morning people.
So with that shit, I'm so with that shit.
Alright guys, gym is accomplished. Time to get some food in. Look at this. Oh god. The good thing is, it's only 5 a.m. in the morning in the Netherlands, so nobody's waking up yet. We already accomplished the day. Hi guys, for the past 2 weeks I've been bitten left and right by mosquitoes, and now I'm in the 7-Eleven trying to get mosquito spray, but heck, I have no idea what's written here. There's a lot of toxic shit in this mosquito sprays usually, so time to ChatGPT this shit. Hi guys, ChatGPT approved. This one is the safest, so if you're like me looking for a good alternative instead of the poisonous shit out there, buy this one. It says DEET free and it only has essential oils in it, so good enough. If it works, well, that's a different story. She's asking if I can come now. Let me send her first number. Hi Fang, I'll be there in a few minutes, okay? Alright, looks like it's gonna be a deal after all. So let me put the Google Maps. Let's get it.
Finally got the shit was supposed to buy you last.
Let's say I make 20% extra on the sale. How much is netto? Because you know you pay the taxes, you pay.
For you, this 1 million, you don't need to pay tax. Why we need to pay tax? Because for this payment, we have to report.
So no losses, that's guaranteed, right?
Pretty much so, bro. Like you always take a risk, right? But so she told me basically the unit that's finished, the guy bought it for 4 million, and this Friday she sold it for 6 million.
But
with the handover, bro. So 30% profit he had, and this seems to be looking like a 20% profit for mine specifically. There's a lot of negative sides as well, obviously. You know what the things that she mentioned. So right now there's this rule, or what's it called, law in Thailand, that if you own a place, the condo has to be 51% Thai owned. You know, so 51% of the apartments have to be owned by Thai people.
But why is it a bad thing? Like if you have that, it's the demand would go more and the supply is less.
Yes, the demand go up,
the prices would go higher.
But here's the thing, bro. The foreign apartments are 30% more expensive. So what I just paid for this apartment right now is 30% more than the local guy pays next door.
So basically you can only resell it to a good price when it's when a foreigner wants to buy it.
When a foreigner wants it. Because which Thai people would be stupid enough to pay 30% surcharge? Like, makes no sense, you know?
Yeah.
But
I think it's fair for the people themselves as well, because this is a small island.
Yeah.
Right. Like if they don't do that, no one's gonna have a house or apartment to live at.
Yeah, true,
right?
bro. The Russians here are buying everything, bro. Like she told me, like this Russian person, she bought 12 of these apartments.
Jeez.
Like the whole floor.
That's a whole building.
Yeah, no, the whole floor, bro.
Oh, jeez.
It's crazy. All right, guys. Good morning. I am heading out to meet my agent because I am opening a bank account here since I decided to invest in this place. Now, it's funny, this was the whole reason why I became a digital nomad or wanted to break free from one country. I wanted to become a world citizen since day one, honestly. And I actually remember even when I got triggered to wanting that, and that was when I was in university. I was in my second year and I truly hated my life. I was going to school during the day and at night I was doing night shifts at this potato factory, sorting potatoes, guys. It was horrible. All I wanted to do is get away from the Netherlands and just be free, just experience something else than this boring ass structural things that I was doing. So in my third year, when I got the opportunity to do an internship and to do my minor, I decided to leave the country. So I did my minor in Canada for 6 months, and then afterwards I went to New Zealand for 6 months. So the whole year I was out of the Netherlands, and honestly that was what I would say transformed me and turned me into a completely different person and gave me a completely different perspective as well, because I got to truly realize what it is, how it is to be free. Because I was, mind you, I was all alone. I was very young, by the way, as well. So yeah, it triggered me, it triggered a few things in me, because I saw the world different and I was like, shit, man, we humans are not bound to be, we shouldn't be bound to one country or one border. We should be free. Anyway, when I got back in the Netherlands after that year, I did everything to, I would say, not go the conventional route, even though I slightly ended up into it, because I started working for a bank, one of the biggest banks in the Netherlands after my graduation, but it was soon and I was like, all right, this is not for me. And guys, to be honest, like being a world citizen is just, I don't know, it just feels good, guys. You're not bound to one place, you know? I think at this moment, if I open the Thai account as well, I have like 6-7 bank accounts in, 6-7 different, 6-7 bank accounts in different countries. So 6-7 countries basically. And that just gives you freedom. And I don't know, I guess it's a bit scary in the beginning because everything looks so foreign. But believe me, once you open your, I would say, first account or second account in a foreign country and you realize, the process is not that bad. And there's always people to help you. I mean, I don't even know where I'm going. I just got a Google Maps location. There's an agent waiting for me. It's going to be sorted. And at the end of the day, guys, money solves problems as well. So if you want to do something in a foreign country or something, you shouldn't think like, oh, it's impossible because I don't know the place. I don't know the culture. I don't know the laws and stuff. There's always people that can help you at the end of the day. But yeah, man, this world citizen stuff is really what I enjoy, honestly. Anyway, guys, too much talking. I gotta head out. I'm already late as usual. So let's go. Where you going? 7-Eleven, bro. Why? Because the bank needs a SIM card, a physical one, and not an eSIM. You just bought what? I bought an eSIM.
Too many M's to make too many rules to break, too many fighting that case. I gotta find my way.
Hi guys, that's over. It took me 2 hours and the cost was 250 euros. That's including the agency, the VIP service and everything. And you're basically done. You get your card, you can use it, and now we're gonna get some food at this 5-star Michelin chicken place.
When it's real life, rich still dodging that bus right from the west side where don't shit slide. We on.
Any other experiences you had with, let's say, anything international, market related or marketing related perhaps? Just remember, we are looking for someone that is really experienced in HR in the international field.
Make too many rules to break, too many fighting that case. I gotta find my way. Gotta need new shoes. If I lose, she lose. And I ain't get used to losses. I'm going off till I crash. Fuck all the ops, I kid you not. See, we gon' crash. My thoughts is sick, I don't have no sense. Sometimes I crash. Pour up this 1942, it knocked me on my. Nigga gotta hit the golf course to get a peace of mind. Family, friends want a peace of mind.
What you want to do is show up with the right intent searches that you have to offer for your clients. Here you're kind of focusing on audience targeting, and you're also nurturing people with retargeting ads, and you try to create these scroll stopping ads, because
little rappers ain't impressed. Your tax bracket ain't impressed. You buy a chain but won't buy no land. The hashtag should say desperate. I'm kicking game for these young niggas, cause one they'll me my daughter. All that bullshit I taught her. Way too blessed to be normal. Upper echelon where we stand at. So girl, be proud that your skin black, and be happy, girl, that your hair nap. Cause the school system won't teach that. Where your father been, you gon'
So basically we were swimming for, I don't know, like 30 minutes or so, we're chilling, and then suddenly it started pouring, like pouring. And I don't mean like a European little bit light rain, no, like tropical pouring. Anyways, everything is wet now, and it dried up after 10 minutes again. It's crazy how this weather works here. But yeah, anyways, while I was swimming, I had this, I would say, a little bit of a reflection moment. And I think I've mentioned this before in a few episodes back, that it's important to, you know, say no sometimes to things, so you can get some time back to do fun stuff like swimming. And I realized while I was swimming that I haven't followed my own rules recently for the past 2 months. I mean, you know, good things came my path. I saw good opportunities. Well, what seemed to be very lucrative ended up in being very time consuming, to be honest, because, you know, the deals, they sounded good, but I realized that yeah, it takes more time because the business partner doesn't have his stuff in check yet. So I had to step out of a few projects. Yesterday I decided to do that because, again, it was just consuming time for me. And you know, remember guys, every time you say yes to something, you say no to another thing. And usually when you say yes to somebody else's business, you're also saying no to your own business. So it's all good and fine if you, I would say, help a business grow, but don't let that be, or don't let somebody else's incapabilities be the reason why you have to work harder than what was agreed upon. You know what I'm saying? So know when to draw the lines, when to step back, and when to say like, hey dude, this is not worth my time. I got better things to do. And well, in the beginning, you know, you have no choice, you have to accept everything. But at a certain point, there's so many opportunities in a day that presents itself, partnerships here or clients here, that you have to make the decision. So yeah, man, that's been going on recently, and there's a lot of few other stuff that I've been working on that I can't really mention yet, but I'm so excited, guys. Honestly, I haven't been this excited since I started the agency, I think. So when I started the agency, I had like, oh my God, this is gonna work. Like I'll make it work, whatever it takes. And I have the same feeling about this one right now, what I'm setting up. But it also requires a lot of time. So even though we're in a tropical island, I'm also inside a lot, preparing for that thing that I'll be sharing with you guys soon. So stay tuned for that one.
What's up with
We are gonna make sure your illegal ass don't get deported from this country.
Why illegal, bro?
Well guys, they're closed. So our friend has to leave the country now. He's going on a boat back to where he came, back to home. No, but apparently something with the king, so it's a holiday. Maybe next time check Google.
Or the news.
Or the news. But it's also how you define success. I mean, I think most people that I know that are living in Dubai, they have a very different definition of success than I have. My definition of success comes down to, I would say, financial freedom, obviously, but location freedom is also very important for me. And then we have time freedom as well, you know?
There's so many stories out there, anything could happen.
Bro, everyone has their own story. Everyone thinks they're the hero of the story, but they're the hero of their own story. Like, you're just some NPC character in somebody else's story, you know what I mean?
I mean, like, if you, let's say if you die tomorrow, probably nothing much is gonna happen. Like, a few people is gonna miss you and that's all.
Bro, that's for 1 month. They miss you for 1 or 2 months.
Yeah.
Everybody moves the fuck on.
Yeah,
And you out there fucking caring about what other people think.
Yeah, you would never be in that case, honestly.
Well, most people are in a cage, and some cages are nicer than others. For me, if you, let's say, doesn't matter where you live. Let's say you live in Dubai, right? Coming back to Dubai. Let's say you live in this crazy ass, nice penthouse mansion, whatever. You got all the whistles on it. It's still a cage, bro. It might be a golden cage that you put yourself in. It's still a cage at the end of the day. If the door is not open, or no, usually the door is open. That's the funny thing. But people still stay in it. You know, it's a cage. People stay in it.
Safe side, people are afraid to go outside that cage, I believe.
It's not necessarily afraid. It's just comfort, bro. Like, it's not fear. It's comfort. I don't think nobody's afraid to go out. It's just they're so comfortable at where they are that they don't want to go out, or they don't seek another opportunity or possibility.
My opinion, you should do it before that, before having all these responsibilities.
Yeah, but the thing is, most people, they don't choose their path or build their path. What happens is, something happens in their life, they've been thrown into a path, they follow that path until something else happens in their life, that they're forced to take another path, and then they take that path until something else happens in their life to take another path, you know what I mean? So they're constantly being steered by life, whatever comes their way. It's just... What am I supposed to do?
How does this work?
What do I have to do?
My presentation. Where's the smell coming from, everyone?
Alright, context guys, this house starts smelling like death. The cleaner already came today, everything is clean, it still smells bad, and we don't know what it is. It could be anything, dead animal, whatever. It should be a dead animal, but it's not coming from this, that's for sure. It's not, bro. Go smell it, dude.
I smelled it.
What do you mean I smelled it? Did you smell
No
it?
way, bro. It's not that it's a coincidence. When we turn this off, then the smell magically goes away.
It doesn't go away, who says that?
Oh my god, you're right. You can't fucking smell that, bro.
You smell it.
I don't smell it, huh?
Okay, see?
Alright, maybe you'll just.
Yes, come smell it. Come smell it, my friend. Yeah.
Alright.
Bro, go on the chair even. Go on the chair.
I can smell it. Give it a good smell, bro.
It's not...
Listen. Give it a good fucking smell.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro?
Fucking mechanic.
Bro, it's for sure not there, bro. What are you doing?
They are talking shit, what them no get enemy. To you for what's I put up my eyes, then shut my right, that's good. I cry, offshore, got my dreadlocks. Leave me, I don't pray, Mohammed, I don't break. Come on, man, I can't stand for one place, go say my baby, come on, ginger me.
Alright, here we are, middle of nowhere. There's Akim. We had to stop because this guy over here wanted to take a shot of that bull over there. I think they started bonding at this moment. The bull and Roa, they have a connection now. The bull is looking him straight in the eyes. It better be a good shot, Roa.
So guys, we officially cancelled the agreement of buying the house here. Congratulations on this achievement.
No, that one still continues. But we're not going to Bangkok, guys. For New Year's, I got used to this piece.
Yeah.
That's all I can say. I don't want to go back to the metropolis. So, Phuket it is.
Dad, are you sure you know what you're doing?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Come on. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Whoa, last time I checked, I'm still hot.